Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I want to tell you why you need to add salt during washing and how to do it correctly. This method has a number of advantages which we will talk about now. Today I will wash these towels. Due to the quality of the water and regular use, they turned gray and became hard. The green towel hung damp and unstraightened all night, which is why a musty smell appeared. In general, I will solve these problems now. I put towels in the washing machine. You can also wash bed linen, terry ropes and casual clothes with salt. Be careful when washing delicate clothes and make sure the salt is suitable for this. Now take a bowl and pour 3 tablespoons of salt into it. Add 1 cup of boiling water, which is about 250 milliliters, and stir well. Then I take a small towel that also needs to be washed and soak it completely in the solution I made. If you are washing regular clothes, then take a clean microfiber cloth, soak the cloth in the salt solution and use it for washing. I put a salted towel in the drum of the washing machine and add washing gel here. Depending on the items you are washing, select the washing mode, temperature, spin, and start washing. Salt has antibacterial properties, perfectly eliminates unpleasant odors, removes stains, and also restores softness to fabrics. After washing with salt, your clothes will become softer. You will be able to wash even dirty clothes without any problems. And if you have ever encountered the fact that after washing clothes still smell unpleasant, it may be a musty smell, then salt will solve this problem, and after washing, the clothes will really be clean and smell fresh. If you are afraid of adding salt to your washing machine, then you can first soak your clothes in a salt solution and then wash them in the washing machine as usual. You can also soak used clothes that you buy in a salt solution. Firstly, this is an additional cleaning, and secondly, it will help get rid of all foreign odors. So I recommend washing with salt if you want your clothes, towels and bed linen to be really well washed and soft. If you liked this advice, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.